generated in brain and transform the signal from your brain downstream through your central nervous system and through all the neural networks and to your muscle, and it all generate this electric activity, so we call it AP, action potential. Action potential is really tiny little electric signals in your body. So that's what we're detecting. And EEGs and EMG signals, they have movement pattern. Movement pattern, so on the left-hand side, you see those peaks and those waves. They are the pattern your muscle generated. So that's what we're recording, and we're trying to make sense of those data and try to use it to control stuff. And the right-hand side is EEG wave pattern. So you have different wave patterns while you're thinking different things, while you're using different set of brains. That's what we're detecting when you're measuring EEG. And EEG can be really complicated versus EMG, because EEG you have like 20 channels. You have 20 tiny spots on your head, so you can measure the complete, like, your skull. And EMG, it really depends on what muscle you're measuring. So we have basically two types of electrodes. This is the electrodes, two type of way to measure our signal. So we have surface, and we have the one is like a needle, kind of scary, you can see it poked in. And that's the EMG. EMG, so you got surface EMG and that horrible needle EMG. And EEG, you have same thing too. You have a thing you just attach on your head, and you have the thing, well, they're not going to use it on a human, at least not now, but they use it in monkeys or stuff. And pretty much you detect the electrode directly on the inside of your brain. So this is an example of what I did in the lab. So you have a set of data with 75 people, and this is EEG, by the way. So first you separated them into 60 as a learning group and 15 as a test group. Then you pre-processing the data. That means you try to get rid of the noise, and you separate it to single motion. So the project I'm working on is somebody try to move a wheelchair without even move your hand. Just try, just try, and it will move by itself. So it will detect the muscle signals, but first, yeah, we need to get rid of all the noises, because there's a lot of noise, and we want to separate a peak to single motion. So forward is forward, backward is backward. You don't want to all mess together. And then you do this feature extraction. So pretty much, like I said in the previous slides, we try to detect all different wave patterns and try to see is this guy trying to move forward or move to the right. That's feature extraction. And then we build a model. Then we use this 15 test group to test this model. So it all comes down to data processing. It's some nasty stuff, but like it works. And you have, I don't know, somebody got to do this, and I like it. So pretty much you can see we use MATLAB to do all of those. So future. So this field is really getting big. Not big as bioinformatics, but still you have products coming out. And this guy is the EEG I'm talking about. You can see that this is a real version versus the toy version you see. So this guy is the little Iron Man, not so far, but close enough. If people continue to study this area, which people will, and not so long ago, you'll have those products on the market, and you can buy a real Iron Man's armor. You can buy a man control thing.